Good day, viewers. The epidemic has taught us the value of maintaining a healthy lifestyle, if anything. A healthy routine must include daily exercise, but what if you could drastically change your physique in just 4 weeks? No, we're not joking. Daily exercise can help you move your body, so it's not impossible. You must establish a timetable and adhere to it strictly. We'll talk about workouts in today's video that can completely change your physique in just 4 weeks. What does a pistol squat do? How do I begin to play? All of these topics and more will be covered. 1. Sit-ups. Simple sit-ups may make a significant difference. The most common exercise that most individuals use to strengthen their core and improve their stability is the sit-up. For this exercise, you must lie on the floor with your knees bent. Lift your torso while placing your hands behind your head. You must contract your abs and shape your thighs into a V. Repeat the operation by reversing direction carefully to the beginning point. To receive the greatest benefits from your sit-ups, it's crucial to use your core muscles as opposed to your momentum. You shouldn't try to raise your head using your arms, since doing so might strain your neck. 2. Push-ups. The press-up will always be in style. When you don't have much time yet want to burn some calories, this activity is ideal. This exercise, performed 20 times, can assist you in achieving your objective and strengthening your upper body. Depending on how many repetitions you complete at once, press-ups can also increase your strength and stamina. Use your toes and hands to support your weight while performing this exercise. Your hands must be placed behind your shoulders, and you must maintain a straight posture. To create a straight line from your head to your heels, your core should be locked. Bring your body to the ground so that it is only 1 inch from the surface. Extend your arms fully and strongly push yourself up. 3. Burpees. Burpees are entertaining and productive. Burpees will work every muscle in your body and aid in a significant calorie burn. Start by squatting down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Then, spread your feet out until they reach your shoulders. As you come into an extended plank posture, place your hands on the floor and drive your legs back. Now straighten your arms by pressing them on the floor, and tuck your legs in so that you are back in the squatting posture. Jump such that you are at least a couple of inches off the ground by pressing up on your heels. This may be done a few times till you finish a rep. 4. Crabwalk. A game changer is Crabwalk. Although the Crabwalk may seem ridiculous, it exercises almost all of your muscles and strengthens your core. It is important to perform some wrist mobility exercises before even beginning the Crabwalk, because this exercise can place a lot of pressure on them. Keeping your balance and synchronizing your movements are the major challenges of the Crabwalk. Put your arms behind your back while you sit on the ground to begin the workout. Your knees should be bent and your legs should be in front of you. Raise your hips as high as you can once you are in place. Your only remaining limbs on the ground would be your arms and legs. Start moving forward now by utilizing both your hands and feet. You should try to walk no more than 10 to 15 centimeters at a time. 5. Side planks. If you want to build a fit body, try mastering side planks. Side planks strengthen and stabilize your core while focusing on your oblique muscles. To perform this exercise, lie on your side with your knees straight. Use your forearm as support so that your upper body may rest its weight on it. Once you're in place, lift your hips to make your body straight. Take a moment to pause in this posture and exhale deeply. Then, move to the other side and repeat. You must make sure that your upper body is constantly parallel to the ground. You may also try elevating your arm and leg after pushing your hips upward if you want to try a more challenging variation of this exercise. An alternative would be to place your upper body weight on your palm rather than your forearm. 6. Pistol squat. Your quadriceps and glutes will benefit from pistol squats. Your balance, mobility, and stability will be tested throughout this workout. You may use it to determine which muscles you need to strengthen. To do the exercise, you must stand with your arms parallel to the floor and straight ahead at shoulder level. Once you're in position, extend one of your legs out in front of you and maintain that position. Now, thrust your hips back and squat as low as you can. After pausing, reset your body to the starting position. Follow the same steps with the opposite leg. Congratulations, you've just finished one round. Start by performing 10 of these repetitions each day. 7. Star Plank. The Star Plank is a great exercise for changing your physique. Star planks can help you up the resistance in your workout and give your muscles a fresh stimulation. Start the workout by assuming the press-up posture. Next, make the shape of an X by extending your palms and toes. From your head to your toes, you must maintain a level line in your core. After a little while in this posture, return to the press-up position. You have to make an effort to maintain a horizontal hip position during this activity. 8. Mountain climbers. You may drastically change your body with the aid of mountain climbers. Another exercise that strengthens your core and uses all of your muscles is the mountain climber. To execute this, you must assume the press-up position while maintaining a straight arm. As though you were about to receive a punch, you should contract your core. While keeping your lower back straight, raise one knee to your chest and lift the other foot off the ground. Bring your other knee to your chest while lowering the foot and returning it to the beginning position. After then, you can continue switching between the two legs. While performing this exercise, try to keep your core tight and prevent bouncing. Try cross partner if you want to make this workout more strenuous. In this position, your right knee would be brought to your left side of the chest, and vice versa. 9. Superman exercise. Exercise like Superman can change you. This practice might turn you become Superman, the superhero who is essentially unstoppable. Although not actually, this exercise can help to strengthen your back and the muscles that run down your spine. It also improves your core while working your glutes and hamstrings. You'll begin this workout by lying on the floor face down. Your arms, legs, and torso should be raised above the floor. Before going back to your beginning posture, hold this position for a few seconds and make an effort to compress your lower back. 10. Single leg glute bridge. Attempt a single leg glute bridge without hesitation. By concentrating on the butt muscles, this exercise can help you tone your legs. To perform the exercise, lie on your back on the floor and lift one leg high. Move your hips forward until they are raised off the ground. Try tightening your glutes at the top of the sequence to stimulate those muscle fibers, then gently lower yourself back to the beginning position. This workout can help you develop back strength, improve your posture, and ease any back discomfort you may be experiencing. Back discomfort can be relieved by performing 10 glute bridge repetitions on one leg. 11. Bodyweight exercises. Wondering why we prioritized bodyweight exercises over routines using the equipment? Dumbbells are unnecessary for bodyweight workouts. The nice thing about this sort of training is that it is more adaptable to your fitness level and more accessible. It makes no difference if you're a beginner or an experienced athlete. Exercises using your body weight may be both extremely difficult and advantageous for everyone. You should do bodyweight workouts since they improve your stability and mobility, didn't you know? By learning how to stabilize your body via movement and bodyweight exercises, you may increase your strength in the gym. So many individuals think that performing bodyweight workouts might harm your joints. Bodyweight exercises put less strain on your joints, making injuries less likely while bodyweight training. Bodyweight workouts don't require you to go to a certain gym, they work at times that are convenient for you. Exercise is undoubtedly good for your health, and the appropriate routines may help you tone your body. Are you going to try any of these workouts to change your body? Please share it with us in the comments below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. For more secrets and tips, subscribe to the channel. Before you go, here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will help you reach your goals. Click to watch them now. See you in our next video.